Hi everyone, I hope you're all well and welcome to today's video. In this video we are going to be tackling level 14 to level 15, and the password for this next level can be retrieved by submitting the password of the current level, that is level 14 to 15, to port 30000 on localhost. This simply means that we take the password for this level which we retrieved in the previous video and then submit it to this port number on this same server. So on this port number on this server. These are some of the commands that we need to solve this level, and this is some helpful reading material. As you can see from these resources, this level is focused on networking, so if you're not familiar with networking, then this is the best time to at least understand the basics so that all this can make sense. Now, to do this, we do not need to log into Bandit 14 because that is what we did in the previous video, in the previous level. So if you have not, then please watch the previous video and then you can now find this easier. I had already logged in, so the password we are going to use is the same one that you retrieved in the previous video, so, or in the previous level. So that is what we're going to be using here. I have already copied it. Now before we use it, we are going to be using a utility called Netcat, so let us have a look at it. This is the one that uses this is just the command, but the tool being used is Netcat. So this just uses TCP and UDP connection to listen to different ports, and not just listen, but you can also send data and all that cool stuff. Yes, so this is just some of the uses that you can use now. So once you have all this, what we can now do is nc localhost and then, now that it is, once you see no output and the cursor is blinking, then you know then that you are listening to this port. What you can do is paste the password there, and then it outputs this correct, and then now this is the password for the next level, and that is how you will have gone about it. That is how you will have solved this level. And this is the opportunity to learn more about networking if you have not, and Netcat and all these other utilities, since they will be useful in the later levels, because there are other ways to use it. This is just one of the simplest ways. There are other ways of utilizing this and networking in general. So with that, thank you for watching up to this point, and I will see you in the next level. Thank you and bye bye.